Hello everyone, I'm here because I got some love mail. Nice big box, y'all, like this. So let me tell you about this wonderful person who sent this beautiful big box. Her name is Simply Cooking with Latonya. Simply Cooking with Latonya is a young lady who's on a weight loss journey, and she also cooks. And boy, can she cook. I've been knowing Latonya, Simply Cooking with Latonya, for a long time, since I've been up here on YouTube. Me and that sister go back like Spam and cheese sandwiches. And she is a fabulous cook. She makes good food, but it's healthy food. Food that can assist you with your weight loss journey. It's perfect for your children, your entire household. So she had another channel, and it was called Sharing the Light. And we always comment on each other's videos. And then she changed to this channel. Wow, she is amazing. She also, she cooks, and then she walks, and she show you nice healthy portions that's good for you and your family. We also see some of her hauls, like from all these supermarket, different places. She does hauls of her, her food, or Dollar Tree, stuff like that. So I really love her channel. She's a great lady. Go over there and support her. And I'm going to stop talking right now, and I'm going to open this beautiful box. And I told her I got the box, but I was out of town, so I couldn't open it. I said I'm going to open it when I get back. So I'm going to open it right now. Wow, she really got this thing taped up too. YouTube is a very special place. You find some really nice ladies here. The gentlemen are nice too. So I do have some gentlemen who watch my channel also. But these ladies are excellent. Oh my God, what is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Girl, what is this? What is this, girl? It's in this box, and it's in another box. I'm getting real excited right now. Ooh, look at it. So let me open this one. Feel like it's Christmas, y'all. Christmas all over again. Whoa. So me and Latonya were talking a while ago, and she was showing this product. Oh my goodness. And it's the scent booster. And I love this type of products, because when I wash my clothes, sometimes I have to use like the male products. I do a lot of laundry detergent reviews, y'all, but this girl be breaking out real bad. I have eczema, and I had it all my life. So sometimes I use like a mild detergent, and then I add a scent booster. But I never tried these right here. It has long-lasting freshness. And let me smell it. Open it up. It smells good. It has a nice citrus smell. It's really nice. I was looking for these in my area, and I couldn't find. A lot of people are buying them. She gave me another one, y'all. She Gave me another one. And another one, y'all. So, Simply Cooking with Latonya. Girl, you're going to have me smelling good. I am proud of these. They smell delicious. They smell delicious because they smell like lemon or orange or something. It smells so good. So it looks like she has a card here. I should have taken that out first. I didn't see it at first. And it says, thinking of you. Isn't that pretty? Really, really nice. It says, hey Sasha, I wanted to send you out this little gift to show how much I truly appreciate you for always supporting me. It's wonderful. God bless you and Happy New Year. Love, Latonya. Latonya, that is so beautiful. It's so nice. And I love my gift. So something else. Wait a minute here. You know, y'all, there's that doggone phone again. I should have took that thing off the hook. I don't know why every time I get on this camera, it has to be someone following me. So she says, please do enjoy, my friend. What is in here? What is in here? What is in here? So excited. Ooh, wow. She got me a nice vanilla candle. This is really, really nice, Latonya. Let me smell it. That smells like cookies. They have cupcakes right here. It's a nice big candle. It has the 3 wicks up here. And that's really, really beautiful. I love this, girl. I love it. I really love it. Latonya, thank you so much for these wonderful gifts. I really appreciate it. And I needed all of these things. I needed some candles. And I love these scent boosters. I really do. So thank you so much. Thank you for your kindness. And Latonya just had a birthday last week. And again, happy belated birthday to you, Latonya. Hope you enjoyed yourself. And to you all who know Latonya, tell her that I sent you to her channel. And go over there. You will really love her. She's a nice young lady, and she creates great videos. So thank you all for watching, and girl, thank you. Love you. Bye.